Alright, so I just wanted to show you that what I currently have in my MacBook as far as storage is 4 gigabytes. Alright, what I also want to show is that Apple has a little button here that you can click, memory upgrade instructions. And so it's pretty simple to get the instructions on how to remove and install memory. So I just select my MacBook Pro 13-inch mid-2012. And it gives you the specifications as far as what it wants you to use. And then it even goes so far as to give you instructions on how to replace it and discharging any static electricity, how to remove the existing memory, and how to install. And now I'm just going to shut down my Mac so I can put in the new memory, or I'm sorry, the new RAM. Alright, so I apologize for the view, but so I've never done this before. I've watched a couple videos to see how to do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and take off the back. I just recently changed out the hard drive to the Samsung solid state drive. I believe it was 500 gigabytes. So I just did that, and that is excellent. Totally makes my computer like a brand new computer. And I just wanted to update the RAM, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Yeah, so I am not a computer tech. I've never built a computer. I've never done anything like this before. So, you know, if I can do it, anybody can do it. So they say to line up the teeth, the longer side on the left. Snap it down in there. There it goes. All right, and that's it. I'm not gonna have you watch me put screws on because that's super boring, but there you have it. So I'm just going to pull up to see what it says. I haven't checked this yet, so we'll see if it says that I have 8 gigabytes of RAM or what. So let's see. There it is. It's installed. Now I've got 8. Super simple. Anybody can do this.